10 interesting facts about left-handed people. Number 10. More often are male. Men make up for 23% more than women in the left-handed population, according to a study conducted in 2008. The study consisted of around 144 studies with a sample participant size of about 2 million people. Number 9. Faster recovery from strokes. Our language gets affected when strokes occur in the left side of the brain. Around 95% of righties have their language controlled by the left side of their brain, while only 70% of lefties have theirs controlled by the left side. This is why more of those who have recovered control over their language after a stroke are lefties. Number 8. Advantageous hand at sports. Lefties have a particular advantage over righties in certain sports, like fencing, boxing, tennis, baseball, and swimming. Righties are more used to playing against other righties, which may throw them off their game a little when they have to play against a lefty. For example, a batter in baseball is more likely to be more accustomed to pitches by a righty, so they are more likely to miss when receiving a pitch by a lefty. This is especially seen as more prevalent in tennis, where around 40% of the current top players are lefties. Number 7. Drawn figures usually face right. A study from 2014, titled What Affects Facing Direction in Human Facial Profile Drawing, a meta-analytic inquiry, has displayed contrasting characteristics between righties and lefties. While lefties are more prone to drawing their characters facing right, righties generally draw theirs facing left. Number 6. An advantage in typing. We tend to use both hands while typing, but it has been found that around 300 words are typed mainly with the right hand, whereas about 3,000 words are mainly typed with the left on the keyboard. Number 5. More intelligent than right. Lefties have heterogeneous brain organization, where they can process verbal information using both sides of the brain. At the same time, righties have a more organized brain division, where the right hemisphere takes care of visuospatial processing, and the left hemisphere handles the verbal processing. Since lefties can process oral information on both sides of the brain, they can process larger amounts of data and have higher intelligence levels than righties. Number 4. They are more artistic. Lefties are more artistic as their dominant hemisphere controls the awareness of art, creativity, and imagination. They are also more partial to visual information over language-based. Number 3. Better at writing with non-dominant hand. In Australia, a small-scale study found that lefties could write much better with their right hands than righties could with their left. Number 2. Some folks fear left-handedness. Some people fear all things left-sided. Amongst those left-handed people are included. This fear even has a name: sinistrophobia. Number 1. Not so gifted at tongue rolling. Believe it or not, someone did a study on the ability of lefties to roll their tongues. They found that quite a significant number of lefties had trouble with that one compared to righties. Only 62.8% of lefties could roll their tongues, whereas 74.8% of righties could do it.